The installation of the doors has started. This door is a single slider, but most of them, they have a fixed glass on either side. And then the middle slides across, which allows room for furniture. That's why I did it. This kind of screen.
Yeah. No. Yeah. 1 minute.
1 minute?
Yeah.
No minute?
Yeah.
Me steel, mate?
No. No steel.
Me plastic?
Yeah.
Okay, but the whole yai?
Yeah, with.
Yeah, no. Okay, I did. Okay, wait, I take a photo too.
Okay.
So I just want to. Here's all the furniture for the kitchens. Look at that. Look at that big door. Wow, it's huge. Down here, we have the same center slide. And here you can see me. This is what I look like now. I'm in the closet. The walk-in closet, really big. And the mirror really reflects the colors of the outside and the inside. It's really quite spectacular. Okay.